Nicole Lapin is not your mama.
And this is not your mama's finance lesson.
So what the heck is venture capital anyway? Okay, not to sound like Captain Obvious, but if you have a venture like a business and you need capital like money, then you might want some venture capital from firms that specialize in that called,
wait for it,
venture capital firms, which are often called VCs. So let's say Richie has an idea for a promising bar called the Money Pit. He needs some cash, let's say 100 grand. He could ask his friends, but they're strapped for cash too, and a bank won't give him the money because he doesn't have a credit history or collateral. So he reaches out to Richelle's VC firm, Venture Capital Richelle, or VCR. The firm thinks there's a good chance that the Money Pit can grow and gives him the money. In exchange, though, VCR wants 50% of the company and a lot of influence on the decision the company makes every single day, even down to what he buys, or his capital expenditures, or CapEx, and who Richie hires and fires.
You're all fired.
But armed with the dough, Richie starts killing it. But his friends at VCR think Richie has reached his peak and that there's no room for expansion. So Richelle says it is time to sell. She goes out and finds a buyer. The Moneymakers Mark Company. They offer $1 million for the Money Pit. Because Richie owns 50%, he walks away with 500 grand. And since VCR owns the same, they also take in 500,000 big ones. So to recap, for Richie, he went from having an idea for a venture to needing capital to getting venture capital to making a ton of capital from creating a great venture. And phew, that is some business adventure.